What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on my video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my lazy go-to natural protective style. So we're going to be starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. You already know, gotta start fresh. And I'm going to be going in with my favorite leave-in at the moment, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. I really like how moisturizing this is for my hair, so I like going in with this for the ultimate moisture for my hair in this protective style. Like, I like doing this, even though it's like my lazy style, it's like super moisturizing for my hair because I put a lot of product in my hair. So next I'm going to be going in with the Africa's Best Herbal Oil, and I'm just going to be putting that all over this section as well. And I really like this oil because it's super moisturizing for my hair. If you've been watching my videos, y'all know I pretty much use this oil in like every video. But yeah, I really like using this oil for this style as well. Then I'm going to be going in with this wide tooth comb and just combing out my hair just to get the tangles out. Since I am going to be braiding it up later, I definitely want to make sure my hair is nice and detangled, and so I'm going to go ahead and twist that up and put it away. So I'm pretty much just going to do this whole thing all around all my head as far as putting both of those two products on, and then I will begin to style my hair once those products are in. Alright, so now that all those products are in, I'm going to go ahead and make sure my part is straight down the middle. It's not going to be, well, it's going to be a little perfect in the front, but towards the back it's not going to be 100% straight, but it's not really that important to me because this is just my lazy go-to style. So, you know, it's just straight as it can be. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and put those other sections away so I can focus on the next step. So now I'm going to be going in with the Melanin hair care line. And yes, this is my favorite moisturizing cream for my hair. It's nice and thick, and it really moisturizes my hair like to the max. Like this is it. Like, this product for me. So I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair out with the Denman brush. I brush it with this brush only because like I like how it, you know, gets my curls together a little bit more than the wide tooth comb. It really separates it, so I like going in with a Denman brush to, you know, bring my curls back together so I can put the product on as best as I can. It's just, I know it's a lot of steps, but it's really not. This doesn't even take me that long to do. It's just, it might look like a lot, but it's not that much. But yeah, so I'm going ahead and putting that on, spreading that product through. Then I'm also going to spray a little bit of water just so, you know, I'm making sure all those products get good and mixed together, so we just got a nice moisturized hair. So once all the product is applied, I do go in with my hard bristle brush just to smooth it down so I can get the best braid and twist possible. So I'll be going in with my edge booster as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my edges. It helps me get a smooth twist when I do the flat twist in the front. I've tried it without it, and it's just been like super frizzy. So I go ahead and put some edge control down, just so when I do a flat twist, it can just, you know, be nice and perfect. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. I'm not the perfect flat twister, but you know, I just do the best that I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat twist out the front, just to get it, you know, nice and tight and sleek in the front. So I'll do a flat twist in the front, and then I'll finish it off with a braid, because I try to braid all the way down, but for some reason I just can't never do it. I don't know, my hair just doesn't allow me to braid all the way. So I just do a flat twist and then go into a braid, because it's the easiest for me. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you'll be trying this style out, or if you have your go-to lazy natural hairstyles, you know, down below in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.